Hey there, my name is Leon, and in this video I will explain in a simple understandable way what a web hosting is. At the end of the video I will also share some tips with you to minimize the price for a web hosting so that you don't waste your money. If you want the short simplified answer, web hosting is the service of providing storage space for your website on a server which is accessible through the internet. But let's look at that definition a bit closer. Imagine that you sit down in front of your computer, open the browser, type in google.com and hit the enter key. Right after you hit the enter key, a process starts in which a server is being located through the internet that contains the content you want to open. Then your computer downloads that content and shows this data on your screen. So every time you type in a web address in the browser, you request data from a specific server and download it on your device where you can watch it. This means that everyone who wants to have a publicly available website needs to store that website on a server which is accessible through the internet 24/7. And web hosting is exactly this, the service of providing and maintaining that storage space. It is the connection for a website to the internet. Note that the hosting companies not only provide you with storage space, but also with security, software, technical assistance and more to make setting up and maintaining a website as easy as possible for you. And now I will share 2 tips with you so that you don't overpay for your hosting and lose money. First, buy web hosting service for multiple years and not only a single year. A lot of hosting companies usually offer a large discount when you buy 3 or 4 years at once. These discounts are sometimes up to 60% and often they even come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you decide that you won't be needing the hosting for such a long time, you can simply get a refund. Second, do not only look at the monthly costs but also at what the hosting company is giving you for the price. Hosting companies with very low costs usually charge you for every small additional service, while higher priced companies often have a lot of services included for free. So that's it for now. In the next video I will show you 2 hosting companies which I use for my clients or for myself. Both of them are high quality, but one of them is a bit more affordable while coming with less technical support. The other is a bit more expensive but includes a lot of free extras and is constantly recommended by experts. If you don't want to wait for the video, you will find the link to these hosting companies in the video description below. Remember to leave a small comment and to subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.